I came out in 1975. Coming out is a process, and at first I was out to some friends, and then later out to family, and then eventually out to pretty much everybody.
It's a really exciting day to recognize and give people the opportunity to pick a day and say, I'm going to do this, I'm going to come out, and also to support and celebrate that process of coming out.
I think it's important for the community because, one day we're all going to want to get married, and we, in order for us to get married in the future, we have to fight today. So.
I'm currently married, got married in DC, but my marriage isn't recognized in Maryland, and it isn't recognized federally.
It's not uncommon to see gay couples in the city where I live, which is Barcelona. And so I'm really happy that here in Maryland, the same type of people that I see usually on the streets can also be welcomed here as well. So I'm really happy for these people. I really hope these votes will get counted and that this legislation will get passed.
This year, it may actually mean putting a photograph of my partner and I in my office, where I now have one of my entire family, and just coming out a little bit more than I've been out. I am totally out on the job. It's to my clients that I'm not entirely out to.
Live your life. It is your life. You get one chance at it. So make the most of it. And it takes a lot of strength and a lot of courage to be who you are for any aspect of your personality.